Can we leave Facebook Messenger group without notifying? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna find out can we leave a Messenger group without anyone knowing? So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just enter the group where you want to leave from. And now here, once you're inside the group, just tap on the group name at the top of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the group menu section. From here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as leave chat. So just tap on it and on the confirmation message, just tap on leave. And now here is the important thing. So here if you just tap on leave chat, everyone in the group will be notified. And since Messenger doesn't let you to leave silently, you can't do it. But if the Messenger adds a silent leave options in the future, we will be the first to let you know. And with this, if you found this guide helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.